After dealing with a broken trailer and a bike that always seemed to need mechanical work, I was introduced to Travis, the owner of Mid-City Bikes in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Travis had the equipment and knowledge to build custom Chromoly steel bike frames and trailers. It's just what I needed because this was going to be a really frustrating journey if I didn't hammer out my mechanical issues before I'm in another country. After Travis taught me to cut, weld, and miter steel tube, we started to engineer.
0 on the y-axis is 0. And on the x-axis, how much does it want? 44.
Certain angles need to be cut through the ends of the tube so they can butt together at various angles. They say measure twice, cut once, but I usually end up measuring 3 times, walking away, then coming back and measuring 2 more times. Chromoly steel is pretty expensive stuff to work with, so I'm pretty anal about minimizing waste. And then there's the welding. It's fascinating. You change the molecular structure of 2 pieces of metal to join each other, usually using a filler metal. I'm welding with pulsing, and it's easy to become hypnotized by the rhythmic light and sound. If that happens though, you're sure to mess up your weld. Eventually, I'll end up with a pretty unique bicycle and trailer that can take a ton of abuse. It feels a little like gaining a superpower.